ಒಂದಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
Good morning, dear students. Welcome to online classes. Now we are in the 9th standard social studies class. In the previous class, we already learnt the characteristics of family. Now it is the time to understand the types of families. In our country, there are mainly three kinds of families we have to find out there. Here, types of family, the family classified into three kinds. How many families are in our country? There are the family classified into three kinds. Which are the three kinds of families here? The very first one, matriarchal family, patriarchal family. The final one, modern nuclear family. This modern nuclear family has different names: nuclear family, giant family, extended family. So these are the other different names of modern nuclear family. We have to understand one by one here. The very first one is that matriarchal family. What is the meaning of matriarchal family? Matriarchal here, matriarchal ma means it is a mother. Ma means what? Mother. So here matriarchal family means in this family mother is the head of the family. Mother is the head of the family. We have to understand with the definition here. The rights of the property passes on from the mother to daughter. So it is considered as matriarchal family. Matriarchal family is nothing but everything rights under the control of mother. The whole and soul, the property rights and totally whatever the responsibility and security, whatever is there in that home or family, everything rights under the control of mother. That's why this family we have to consider as matriarchal family. In our country we have to find out like this family in coastal areas of Karnataka and Kerala. Kerala has at present only two castes or two families, like Nambudiri and Nayar. In that Nambudiri and Nayar, they having the ownership only, the family responsibility only having the mother. That's why in that families or in that state we have to find out like this matriarchal family. The final one is there, that is tribes in the northeast states. Northeast states, they are having like that matriarchal family. So in the next one, patriarchal family. Here we have to understand in the Sanskrit language, ma means mother, pitru means father. Here patriarchal family means father is the head of the family. Who is the head of the family here? Father is the head of the family. So we have to understand this patriarchal family with the definition. Here the property and other rights are centered around men or father. It is considered as patriarchal family. Once again I repeat that patriarchal family is nothing but the property and other rights are centered around men or father. It is considered as patriarchal family. In present we have to understand, we have to find out like this patriarchal family in the world, not only India. In India we have to appear like this families. Rest of these coastal areas of Karnataka, Kerala and tribes of northeast, rest of these areas, entire India having like this patriarchal family. That means the father is the head of the family there. So here which countries having like this patriarchal family in the world? Greek, Rome, India and China. These are the countries having like this patriarchal family in the world. Then the final one, that is modern nuclear family. Here, modern nuclear family having a different name. I already said that those different names. Which are the different names of modern nuclear family? The nuclear family, giant family, and also extended family. These are the different names of modern nuclear family. We have to understand with the definition of modern nuclear family. It is consists of father, mother, and their unmarried children as the family members. Those members are those persons are called modern nuclear family members. Who are staying in the modern nuclear family? It is consist of father, mother, and their unmarried children. Unmarried children considered as members of the family. So these members and father, mother, this is the family. This family we have to consider as modern nuclear family. So entire in India, like this family we have to find out right now. The next point is that this modern nuclear family having a silent features. What kind of silent features it has? The very first one, it is in small in size. It is small in size. Modern nuclear family, small in size. Why? Because in that family only having father, mother, and unmarried children. That's why it is in a small in size. The second one, simple social control. The second feature, silent feature of modern nuclear family is simple social control. They are controlled by the society. Why? Because they having only each and everything responsibility or tradition, culture followed by the society. That's why it is controlled by the simple social control. Then more freedom to the members. If we have to understand the difference between divided family and undivided family, that means joint family and nuclear family, just we have to understand what is the major difference there. The major difference, joint family have not any kind of freedom. That means why? Because they are under the control of elders. So in the nuclear family, not like that. The more freedom the family members have. That's why here it is more freedom to the members. It is the third silent feature of modern nuclear family. Then fourth one, favors modern technology. If the family has in small in size, they are having the all facilities like science and technology and whatever in science technology based activities they are having. That's why here favors modern technology. It is a fourth silent feature of modern nuclear family. The final one, complexity. Complexity here it is the in this it is a quality. The complexity is one of the quality by the father and mother. What they are teach in that family. So they are learning by the children. So in this way we have to. I hope that you have understood this silent features and types of families in the chapter of family. Thank you.